So I'm doing intermittent fasting, eating within a 6-hour window, and I have been having 2 meals a day. Hopefully you can get some ideas of how you can hit your nutrition goals each day or get some inspiration for the week from this video. I used 1 slice of keto sourdough bread and fried it in 2 tablespoons of butter until it was nicely toasted. Then spread 2 tablespoons of Philadelphia cream cheese, a sprinkle of salt and garlic powder. This is low-carb cranberry sauce. It's leftovers from Christmas, so I added half the serving amount, which is 1 teaspoon, 50 grams of sliced Christmas ham, 2 fried eggs, sprinkle of black pepper and oregano. And guys, this was so yummy and very filling. For a semi-sweet treat, I'm making blueberry chia jars. For each jar, I added a 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, a drop of vanilla, a tablespoon of white chia seeds, and that's the chia pudding layer. Stir and then set aside so the chia can swell. Now for a little blueberry smoothie, and the next part is for 4 jars. To a blender, I added 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds and ground that as fine as I could get it, a tablespoon of almond butter, 30 grams of fresh blueberries, 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut, 1 teaspoon of sweetener, but you can add more if you need to, and a 1/4 cup of almond milk. Blend that up, and this is how it turns out. Just checking on the chia pudding now. I gave it another stir and let that sit for a little more so it can thicken up, and then I added 2 tablespoons of the blueberry smoothie to each jar. Lastly, 3 blueberries on top, and place that in the fridge for the week. I paired a cup of Asian cabbage with my Thai green curry, and I had that 3 times this week. If you want this recipe, a link should appear in the top right corner of your screen now. I will also leave links to all the recipes in the description box for you. Next, I'm making a keto cheeseburger casserole. I only wanted to make 2 servings to switch up my meals. Over a medium heat, I added about a tablespoon of olive oil and added leftover cooked ground beef that I heated up in the oil, 250 grams worth. Then flavored the meat with 3/4 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a sprinkle of Himalayan salt and black pepper, and stir that in, then set that aside. In a bowl, I added 90 grams of shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of low-carb red cooking sauce, and a 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and mix that all together. Here's my little glass container, and to that I added the ground beef mixture first and spread the cheesy mixture on top. I also sprinkled a little layer of cheese on top and then popped it into the air fryer and baked at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, and this is how it turns out. Guys, it doesn't look good, but it tastes so yummy, just like a cheeseburger. The original recipe is a bacon cheeseburger casserole, and the link to that recipe is in the top right corner of your screen. I'm just having mine with a half an avocado. Guys, I have created an extensive playlist showing you all the weight loss meals I have used for years. Please take a look through these recipes, do meal prep them and place them in the freezer, and then you are armed and dangerous.